the modification of root, that is taproot and adventitious root for food storage. Then next type of root, that is for mechanical support. For example, prop roots. Prop roots. The prop roots, these roots arises from horizontal branches of trees, like the banyan tree. Banyan tree, the Ficus bengalensis, botanical name of this plant is Ficus bengalensis, grow horizontally. Suppose is the stem of the trees and branches. The roots are grow horizontally downward direction and penetrate in the soil. These roots shows the prop root. Stem of plant. They provide the mechanical support to the plant branches, horizontal branches. These roots grow horizontally downward direction and penetrate till in the soil and provide the mechanical support. These roots shows the secondary growth, enlarges in size. Yes, thick, acts like a pillar. Acts like a pillar, gives the support to the branches, heavy branches. Like these roots are called the prop roots. For example, a banyan tree for mechanical support. Okay. Then next type of root, that is stilt root. Second, stilt root. For example, maize, sugarcane, jawar. Like these members of family Poaceae. These plants have a weak stem and root system is adventitious root system. Adventitious root system, that is superficial root system, not deep down root system. Hence, these plants require additional support to fix the plant in the soil. The roots are grow. This is the adventitious root system. In these plants, the adventitious root system, and the stilt roots are grow from some nodes, basal nodes of the stem, and grow in the soil, penetrate in the soil, and provide the additional support to the plants. They grow obliquely, downward growth, penetrating the soil. Then in the, that is like the stem is weak and for the weak stemmed plant it required like this the additional support. Still root. Then next type of root, one more thing is there, that is these roots provide the additional support to the plant. Some other plants like screwy pine or pendulous generally it is also called the Khedkar. Here the roots are grow from the stem of the plant, some, that is nodal region of the stem of the plants, that is lower surface of obliquely growing stem for additional support. These roots shows multiple root cap. You know the root cap. Multiple root cap is found in this plant, that is obliquely growing stem, and from the lower surface of the stem the roots are grow and penetrate in the soil, and these roots shows the root cap, that is at the tip of the root there is a root cap is present. I know the function of the root cap, that is protection of delicate part or tip of the stem, tip of the delicate root, to protect the root from that is during insertion in the soil. Okay, like this the another type of root, that is for mechanical support, stilt root in maize plant, jawar plant, or here in Khedkar, like these plants, that is this such type of root is called the for providing mechanical support, that is scraping or pendulous Khedkar plant. Then climbing root, third type of climbing root. For example, climbing root, here Piper niger, Piper niger, or it is called the Kali Mirch. Different climbing roots, that is weak stem, produce roots at their nodes. They provide the mechanical support to the weak stem plant. Here the stem is grow on the another plant, stem of the another plant with the support of other plants, and they penetrate in the stem of other plants, attach themselves for support, and they rise and grow above themselves. For example, betel leaf or pan, like these plants, the such type of plant grow on other plant, that is for the support they provide the such type of clinging roots, climbing roots. Climbing root, Piper nigrum, Kali Mirch, in these plants they develop the additional that is roots for supports to grow the other plants. Then another type of the root, that is clinging root. Clinging root, the tiny root develop along the internodes of the plant. For example, ivy or helix. Ivy or helix. Here the plant grow on other plants and the roots are developed along with the internodes of the stem. These are the clinging root. They also grow on walls of the houses. These roots secrete the substance to attach the walls of the houses. Like the plants, here English ivy, helix, they develop the such type of roots. Enables, that is, this substance enables the plant to get attached with walls of the buildings. Such type of roots are called the clinging roots. Then another type of root, that is plank root. Plank root. Plank roots here often develop at the base of large trees. Plank trees, plank roots. These roots are grows, that is, like these roots are the plank roots. Plank root. Here the large trees from plank like extension around the stem. For example, silk cotton. Silk cotton or large trees, people, like these roots, like these plants, the roots are developed for the support in the large trees. Then bound root, next type of root, that is bound root. Here bound root are found in the plants like the plant, that is herbs, aquatic herbs, Joshua repnis, become highly inflated and spongy, providing the buoyancy in help in the plant on float on water surface. Because in these roots, here such type of plant, the roots are swollen, spongy. Roots are swollen, spongy due to the storage of air in the roots, and the plant will float on the water surface. Like these roots are found in Xi.SCI replis for floating the water surface. These roots are modified for mechanical support. In addition to normal roots, the roots are grow for the mechanical support. Okay, thank you.